Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Angelique and today's video is the first in a new series I'm starting called Blend Zen. The purpose behind this series is so that I can put more content out for you guys because these videos will be easier for me to edit because I will not be talking in them at all ever. Not even an intro. I'm only doing an intro on this one because it's the first one to explain to you guys about the series. It's gonna be kind of like an extended Instagram video, so I won't be talking at all. There'll just be some nice soothing music for you guys to listen to while I blend my eyeshadow, and you guys can just sit back, relax, and enjoy the view. I feel like this series is going to be really good, especially if you have a very stressful week at work or at home or with the kids or whatever the situation may be, and maybe you just need something soothing to watch. I know that for me, watching other people blend eyeshadow is, I could do it for hours because it's just so relaxing, and that's what I'm hoping to do for you guys. This whole series is inspired by one of my friends. Her name is Bex. I will link all of her information down below, but she does a series called Makeup Therapy, and that's exactly what it is. It's just soothing music. She has a YouTube channel, an Instagram, a Twitter. I'm going to link all of those down below so you guys can follow her, because if you like this series, you're definitely gonna love her stuff because it's the same thing. My favorite thing that she does is skin. She always does the most amazing looking skin. Like, hers looks like her foundation routine and everything. It looks like real skin, and it's like very dewy and beautiful. Oh my gosh. So I hope you guys will check her out. She is so nice and so kind. I even DM'd her to make sure it was okay with her that I did this series, because I don't believe in just like ripping off somebody else's ideas. And she was so nice and so cool about it, and she even told me I didn't have to credit her. Crazy. Of course I'm gonna credit her, but that's how nice she is. So I hope you guys will really take the time to go and follow her. I will include links so it'll make it super easy. Just click on it, hit follow, hit subscribe, and you're done. Okay, so like I said, in future videos, I will not even be doing an intro. There will be no talking at all. And once I start my makeup in just a second, I'm not going to be speaking anymore either. So I love you guys, and I hope you enjoy. And just go ahead and sit back, relax, and enjoy the blend zen.